Hi, I'm Lumen. Bichon is a popular small dog with a charming spirit. Their adorable look and cheerful nature melts the heart of many. However, a Bichon is not perfect for everyone. Let me share with you 6 reasons why, so you're informed before adding one to your family. With 2 layers of coat, I'm prone to matting. To keep my fluffy appearance, regular brushing and grooming is required. My face needs daily cleaning, especially the areas around the eyes, to prevent tear stains. As a white furry puppy, I'm literally a dust magnet. If you don't wash me for a few days, you might be greeted by a walking tumbleweed. Just like other pups, I need my nails trimmed and toothbrushed. Altogether, I can be quite a challenge for families with busy schedule.
Left hand. Good. Left hand, left hand, left hand.
Unlike Border Collie and Poodle, Bichon is not the smartest breed.
Nope.
From a survey of over 200 dog judges across North America, Bichon ranks 45th out of 79 breeds for intelligence, placing in the average category. Mom has to be extra patient with me when it comes to training.
Turn around.
Bichons are known to be very clingy. I love attention and always look for a cuddle with my parents. I will follow you around the house everywhere you go. And when you are not around, I get stressed and worried. It's common for Bichons to develop separation anxiety. To curb unwanted behaviors such as excessive chewing and barking, you will want to crate train and gradually introduce alone time into their routine. When it comes to food, Bichons can be quite picky. I need vegetables in my diet to keep my tear stains away. However, I'm not a big fan of the greens. Mom has to cut up the vegetables and mix them into my kibble. Even still, I often pick them out and leave the good stuff behind.
Go. It's okay.
Nope.
Let's go.
Bichons are not suitable for extreme adventures. If you are someone who enjoys running and having long hikes, I may not be the right dog for you. By nature, I'm more of an indoor dog with a relatively low stamina. A walking session of 30 to 60 minutes is plenty for my daily exercise. I do enjoy being in the great outdoor. However, my coat traps a lot of heat, making it hard for me to cool off after intense activities. During the California summers, I struggle being out for too long. Bichons have hereditary eye conditions such as cataracts, corneal dystrophy, and retinal atrophy. Make sure to purchase from reputable breeders who focus on healthy lineage. Due to my floppy ears, I'm also prone to ear infections. Regular cleaning and drying of the ears can help prevent them. As a small dog, my knees are relatively fragile, leading to a common issue known as patellar luxation, a condition where the kneecaps slip out of place. To avoid strain on the back legs, limit activities that involve excessive jumping or hopping. In summary, Bichon Frise can adapt to your lifestyle because of its eager to please nature. As long as you can tolerate its imperfections, provide it with lots of love and attention, you will have an amazing companion that lights up your world. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.